question, if the lines 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 and 6x plus ky plus 5 is equal to 0 are perpendicular, then find the k value. Guys, they have given two lines. Okay, they have given two lines, two equations. So the first equation is 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. And the second equation is 6x plus ky plus 5 is equal to 0. They have given two equations and they said these two lines are perpendicular. They have given what they have said. These two lines are perpendicular. Then find k value. Okay, so this is the k value, right? Here you can see this is the k value and we must find the k value. So find out the k value. Let us write down this first equation and second equation over here. So the first equation is 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, the second equation is 6x plus ky plus 5 is equal to 0. So let this be equation number 1 or first equation, and let this be equation number 2 or second equation. Clear? Now they asked to find out this k value and they said these both lines are perpendicular. Okay, remember guys, for this type of question, if they said two lines are perpendicular and we must find out the k value, or here I can say that this k values can be, we can consider the k value can be 1, 2, 3, 4, any value, right? The k value can be 1, 2, 3, 4, any constant number. So here they have given one k value and they asked to find out this value. Then immediately what would you do? Here you will be having a formula. Remember, it depends upon perpendicular. Either the lines are perpendicular or parallel. So first let's find out the lines for perpendicular lines. Okay, so here the lines are, the formula is a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2, guys. So a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2 is equal to 0. So this is the given formula. Just remember the formula. It's a very useful formula. Okay, we will be getting this. I will write this. Wait a minute. So if they give this type of perpendicular lines and they ask to find out the k value or p value, s value, t value, any value, what you do, you just use this formula, apply this formula where a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2 is equal to 0. So this is the given formula. Remember this formula. Okay. Now here just write down the a value, a1 value. Let me write down here where a1 is equals. Okay, a1 value where a1 is equals to 2, right? So this, we know this will be a1, this will become a1, this is b1, this is c1, and this is a2, b2, c2. Clear? We know these values, right? Where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. So a1 is equals to and a2 is equals 6. A2 value is 6, right? And b1 is equals 3. And what about b2 value? b2 is equals k. So we must find out the b2 value, right? Now we must find out the b2 value, right? So let us find out this. So by using this formula, just substitute these values in this given formula, guys. Are you getting it? Substitute the given values in the given formula. So the formula is what? a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2 is equal to 0. So this is the given formula. Now substitute the values here. That's given a1 value as 2, a2 value as 6. So substitute the values in this given formula. Pause the video, do the calculation, and then forward the video. Okay? So just let us do the equation over here. Like just substitute the values. Clear? So here you have a1 value at 2 into 6, a2 6, right? Plus b1 value 3 into k. Enduke pilla na meeda kopam nuve kada nake kalokam. 12. 6 to 12, right? Plus 3k. We know this. I know this. Everyone knows this. Okay. So transpose this 12 to the other side. Here you have plus 12. if you transpose this becomes minus 12. So 3k is equals minus 12 by. Transpose this 3 to the other side, this becomes k is equals minus 12 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Right? So here k is equals minus 4. So here we got k value. Is the board clear? Can you see the board? Okay. So here k is equals, k value we got what? K is equals minus 4. Clear guys? So this is what we will be finding the values, the missing values. Either here they have given find out the k value. If they have given find out what you will just like p value. Okay, just find out the p value. So what you do immediately? You apply this formula. You try to find out the p value, s value, t value, a value, b, c, d, everything till z. Okay. So this is what we will be finding out. I hope you are clear with this perpendicular process, right? And now let's go for the next one. Here you have parallel. If they give this equation or these lines are in parallel, I will show you this. If they ask that if the given lines are in parallel, then what would you do? Nothing but you apply the formula. That's all. Apply the formula. Simply apply the formula and you will be getting the values. Okay. So here, don't try to remember the formula, but just understand. So here the formula is nothing but in perpendicular. We know a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2 is equals 0, right? Now in parallel, right? Is this the one spelling correct? So wait a minute, I will be showing the parallel. Yes. So in parallel, the equation here you have is the second line is 6y kx. Now we must find out the k value in the second equation also. Okay. So in this one, I will write this very clearly. Kx. So here guys, we know a perpendicular. Perpendicular. So to find out the perpendicular, we know the formula. The formula is a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2 is equal to 0. We know this formula, right? Now to find out the parallel line, to find out the value for this parallel lines, what would you do? You just go for the lines as this. You write the lines guys. For 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, and the second line is kx plus 6y plus 5 is equal to 0. Right? First equation, second equation. Now here in the parallel, the formula is nothing but here it is in the multiplication form, where here it will be in the fractional form, where a1 by a2 is equals b1 by b2. Clear? a1 by a2 is equals b1 by b2. This is the given formula for parallel. If the lines are given in parallel, if they ask that these lines are parallel, then find out the value of k, s, t, a, b, c, d. Immediately you add this formula. So the formula is a1 by a2 is equals b1 by b2. Okay. Now just write it down. Here I am going to write as it is, where a1 we know a1 value. I am not going to list out the values here. a1, this is b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. We know the values, right? Now what you do? Substitute these values over here. Okay. Now just write it down. So 2 by a2k, which is equals b1, 3 by 6. Cross multiply this. 2 6 are 12. 12 is equals 3k. K is equals 3 by, so k is equals 12 by 3. K is equals 12 by 3, where 3 times 1, 3 times 4. K is equals 4. Clear? We got it. Yes. So here the value we got what? K. K is equals 4. I mean here what we have done? We have done nothing. Why we done nothing? We done everything. So we did the formula. We just substituted the values in this given formula. A1 is equals 2. A2 is equals k is equals b1 is equals 3 by b2 is equals 6. So that's what here I have written. 2 by k is equals 3 by 6. Cross multiply this. Cross multiply this guys. Nothing. Here you write 3 to the 6. 6 to 12, sorry. So 6 to the 12, which is equal to 3k. Now transpose this 3 to the other side, 3 to the other side because we need k value. Transpose 3 to the other side because we need k value. So this becomes k is equals to 12 by 3. 3 times 1, 3 times 4. 3 4 is 12. So 3 1 3, 3 4 is 12. So k is equals 4. At last we got k value is equals 4, right? So this is what we will be finding out. If the lines are parallel, then find out the given value, or if they are asked to find out the lines, if the lines are perpendicular and they are asked to find out this given values, then what would you do immediately? You just apply this formula. If the lines are perpendicular, you apply a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2 is equal to 0. If lines are parallel, then apply the formula a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is b2. That's all. Okay, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Hope you understood. Thank you.